So, how do we make it spicy with Grok AI? If you're talking about unlocking more mature or unfiltered responses, what you're looking for is the allow NSFW content setting. And here's how to turn it on. First, you open Grok AI, of course, go to settings, and then click on data controls. Scroll down until you see allow NSFW content, and then there's an open close parenthesis that says I'm 18 plus. Toggle it on. Once you switch it on, you will be asked to confirm your age. You'll need to enter your birth year to verify that you're 18 or older. After that, the setting will be activated. Just keep in mind, enabling this allows Grok to generate more mature or sensitive content. Make sure you're using it responsibly. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.